Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Priyanka and you're watching this video on My Food Zone. Today I'm going to show you how to make chili garlic fried rice. So let us have a close look at the ingredients required. For the chili garlic paste, we need 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, a tablespoon of fresh oregano, 5 to 6 red chilies that have been soaked in warm water for at least 20 minutes, a tablespoon of tomato sauce, 6 to 7 garlic cloves. I'm going to start the process by preparing the chili garlic paste required for the recipe. For this, I have taken all the ingredients that are listed below the chili garlic paste. I am also adding a tablespoon of vinegar to the paste. This is because in case you store your chili garlic paste, vinegar prevents it from spoiling. Also, vinegar adds a very good acidity to your sauce. So guys, as you can see, I have added all my ingredients into the blender. Now I'm going to blitz this up into a very fine and smooth paste. Make sure that your chili garlic sauce is really smooth, because if it's grainy, you will not have a very good texture when you mix it with the rice. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. So our chili garlic paste is now ready. So let us get into the cooking process. Take a non-stick kadai, place it on your stove top on a medium-low heat. Wait until your kadai becomes hot. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add some spring onion bulbs, some finely chopped carrot, some finely chopped beans, saute the vegetables until they are nicely cooked. Close the lid and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Our vegetables are almost cooked. Now we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. The reason why I am adding garlic now is adding garlic to hot oil might burn it. So when you add garlic at this stage, you might not burn it. So we have to cook the garlic until the raw flavor of it is gone. Now I'm going to add the chili garlic paste that we had prepared. I'm adding about 6 tablespoons. So now you have to adjust the chili garlic paste according to the amount of rice you take. Adding too much of paste might make your rice spicier, and adding very little sauce might not give a good taste. So make sure that you add correct amount of sauce according to your rice. Now you can see that the oil has separated from the vegetables. So this is a sign that our vegetables and the paste has cooked perfectly. Add a tablespoon of black soy sauce. Give it a good stir. Add the chopped capsicum. Capsicum does not require a longer time to cook, so you can add this at the end. This is 1 cup of basmati rice. I have pressure cooked the basmati rice. I'm going to add this rice into the kadai. Mix the rice gently along with the cooked vegetables. Do not mix it vigorously or else you might end up breaking the basmati rice. So you have to mix it perfectly like this. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, and now again adjust the salt according to your taste and your rice quantity. Give it a good stir. Cook the rice on a medium flame for about 10 minutes. Now add some finely chopped spring onions. Spring onions gives a very good taste to the fried rice, so do not miss this ingredient. The greens of the spring onions carry a lot of flavor, so give it a good mix. Cook on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is it guys, our chili garlic fried rice is now done. Now let us take this into a serving plate. This chili garlic fried rice is such an easy recipe, it takes hardly 15 minutes to cook. So all of you must try this at your home. Please do let me know the comments of how your rice turned out in the comment section. So this is it guys, our chili garlic fried rice is done. You can have this with onion raita or plain curd or some tomato sauce. Both make a very good combination to this. So please do like, share and do not forget to try my recipe. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.